an honor to lead today's school assembly. I, Nirvan Kaur,
I Shreyam. I Divyanshi.
and I, Veer Pratap, are here to host an assembly on Van Mahotsav and sustainability on behalf of Class 7th.
A prayer cleanses our minds and removes negativity. Let's begin the day by acknowledging God's blessing, which gives us strength.
To ignite the flame of inspiration, let's invite Harsh Hez and Akshayani for the thought of the day.
We are using resources as if there were two planets for living. There can be no plan B because there is no planet B.
This phrase states the current scarcity of natural resources available on our planet Earth. It indicates the probability of a dangerous situation in which we can run out of available natural resources like air, water and forests.
Staying informed is the first step towards responsible citizenship. Now, let's hear the latest happenings around the globe from Tanish, Nikhil, Arman and Jashandeep.
Good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. Today's international news is Its Russian President Putin hosts Prime Minister Modi at his official residence for private engagement. British Prime Minister Starmer to reset ties with Scotland Wales. Sri Lanka to lift ban on foreign research ships from its parts next year to despite India's concern.
Good morning everyone. Today's national news are Supreme Court lays down guidelines on Portugal on disabled person in visual media fields. We seek to play a supportive role for peaceful, stable region. PM Modi ahead of Russia visit. Local train services hit after heavy rain in Mumbai.
Today's sports news are Abhishek Sharma breaks 5. Opener smashes Sweden international turn as India win by 100 runs in the series. Avinash Saple peaking at right end breaks national record.
Today's weather report is it will remain mostly sunny. Minimum temperature is 28 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature is 31 degrees Celsius. Sunrise was at 5:28 a.m. and sunset will be at 7:28 p.m. Humidity is 68%.
We celebrate various days to remember our achievements and preserve our culture. Today, we are celebrating Van Mahotsav and sustainability. Students, do you know the history of Van Mahotsav? From here? Maybe from here? Or from here? Do you know why we observe Van Mahotsav in July? Anybody? Do you know who started Van Mahotsav? To enlighten our minds, I invite Kashfi, Sana and Sana on stage to explain this through a PPT.
Wow, do you know who is MS Randhawa? Do you know who is MS Randhawa? Anybody? MS Randhawa is a Punjabi botanist who organized a tree plantation week from 20th July to 27th July 1947. Khurshid Ahmed Khan, who was the then Delhi Police Commissioner, took part in this event's inauguration on 20th July 1947. This initiative's main objective was to emphasize the importance of deforestation in our country.
After 3 years, in 1950, K.M. Munshi proclaimed this as a national activity. He regarded this as Van Mahotsav and moved it to the first week of July.
Dear friends, now you know the history behind Van Mahotsav. But do you know the consequences of deforestation?
Do you know what will happen if we lose all our trees? Allow Kashi to elaborate.
As we can see here in this PPT, the consequences of deforestation here are as follows. Global warming, pollution, shortage of food, drought, desertification, animal and plant life affected, and flooding of rivers. Do you know how many trees are cut just to make paper in one day?
Around 200 million trees are cut just to make paper. This means that a tree is being cut at every 2.5 seconds.
One writes, do you know the highest temperature recorded in the nation this summer? Anybody? From here? That is very close. The exact answer is 52.9 degrees Celsius in Delhi. But still, that's a good try.
Friends, while we were having our online classes, the highest temperature in Punjab was 47.5 degrees Celsius. And if deforestation does not stop, then the temperature will increase within every year.
Audience, I'm going to ask you a question. How many of you have planted saplings or trees? That's very, very good.
Very good.
And to those who haven't, that is our only request that you plant at least one sapling.
SDG Life and Land focuses on protecting, restoring and promoting the sustainable use of ecosystems.
By planting more trees, we can preserve biodiversity and protect the habitats of various plants and animals. The greatest threat to our planet is the belief that someone else will save it.
Students of
Without waiting, put your hands together for students of class 7 who are here for a song.
पल पल प्रकृति बचाएं हम, वन महोत्सव मनाएं हम, वन महोत्सव मनाएं हम.
It's not about celebrating One Mahotsav in a school assembly. We believe in practicing it every day. So let me take you to a journey of One Mahotsav. Incredible efforts put in by the students of class 7 to make our earth more green. Now, girls and boys, welcome our rising stars on stage for a mime followed by a dance.
हमारे पास बिल्डिंग्स है, फैक्ट्रीज है, मॉल्स है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर्स है। हा 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 हा। यहाँ पर हाईवे बनाऊंगा।
I give you fruits. I am a tree, I give you medicine. I am a tree, I give you oxygen. I am a tree, I give you environment.
Small actions can create big ripples. Each one of us has the power to make a difference in building a sustainable future. Now, the students of class 7 are going to perform a skit on sustainability.
Scene 1.
हेलो सेदा।
Hi, Agni, कैसी हो?
आई एम गुड, तुम बताओ तुम कैसी हो?
I am also good but confused.
कंफ्यूज? व्हाई?
Oh dear, आजकल ना ये सारे sustainability कर रहे हैं. I don't even know what is this and how to achieve it.
Sustainability means to maintain our environment without damaging it.
What to maintain and why to maintain? Everything is all right.
No, it's not. ऐसा लगता है कि सब सही है पर नहीं है.
कैसे?
Let's see.
Scene 2.
सानवी, अरे कहाँ थी तुम? जल्दी करो, अभी हमें सारा सामान विसर्जन करने भी तो जाना है।
कहाँ मम्मा, आप तो कहते हैं ये सामान फेंकना नहीं है, तो अब कहाँ फेंकना है?
फेंकना नहीं है रे बाबा, विसर्जन करना है।
वो क्या होता है?
यानी पानी में बहा देना।
क्यों माँ, पानी में क्यों? ये तो वेस्ट मटेरियल है। अगर हम इसे नदियों में बहाएंगे तो नदियाँ नहर नहीं गंदी होंगी और वही पानी हमारे घरों में इस्तेमाल होता है और हमें बीमार करता है।
बात तो तुम्हारी सही है, लेकिन हम इसे ऐसे ही फेंक नहीं सकते।
तो मम्मा, हम इस राख को प्लांट्स में डाल सकते हैं और पेपर प्लास्टिक रिसाइकल कर सकते हैं।
बिल्कुल, ऐसे ही हमारी सराउंडिंग्स को पोल्यूट भी नहीं करेगा।
Scene 3.
हेलो जसकरण, कैसा है तू? कैसा है तू?
जसकरण कैसे हो बताओ?
की कजन की शादी का रिसेप्शन है आज।
ओ मैं तो भूल ही गया था, हमारे को साथ में अलकीरत और तनिष को भी लेना है। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हो?
अरे बस यार, तैयार होते होते लेट ही हो गए। चलो जल्दी, अब और लेट नहीं होना।
चलो। वेलकम। अरे दोस्तों, लेट कैसे हो गए? फंक्शन शुरू हो गया है।
बस याद ही नहीं रहा। अरे चलो कोई बात नहीं, खाना ठंडा हो रहा है, जल्दी से चल के खाते हैं, वरना ठंडा हो जाएगा और खाने लायक नहीं रहेगा। हाँ चलो जल्दी चलो, आओ।
बस यार, अब खाया नहीं जा रहा।
बस यार, अब पेट ही भर गया।
अरे दोस्तों, ये क्या कर रहे हो?
अरे तुम इस तरह खाना को बर्बाद नहीं कर सकते। पता नहीं हर साल इसी तरह कितना खाना बर्बाद होता है।
बिल्कुल, वो खाना किसी के खाने के लायक नहीं रहता। हमें खाना अपनी जरूरत के हिसाब से लेना चाहिए, ताकि वो किसी के काम आ जाए और बर्बाद भी ना हो।
चलो कोई बात नहीं, तुम वहाँ पड़े उस बर्तन के अंदर इस खाने को रख दो, ताकि ये खाना जानवर खा सके और ये बर्बाद भी ना हो। सॉरी दोस्तों, हम ऐसे ही रखेंगे।
Scene 4.
जल्दी अपना स्नान पैक करो, हमें निकलना है।
कहाँ जाना है माँ?
अरे भूल गई, हमें गंगा स्नान के लिए निकलना है।
गंगा स्नान? वो क्या होता है?
अरे हम हर साल गंगा स्नान जाते हैं ना, वहीं जाना है।
पर हम गंगा स्नान जाते क्यों हैं?
ताकि हम शुद्ध हो सके। अब ज्यादा बात मत करो, हमें निकलना है।
अच्छा, तो हम यहाँ स्नान करेंगे?
अरे नहीं, गंगा स्नान के लिए तो दूसरे घर जाना है।
माँ, जो नदी खुद ही इतनी अशुद्ध है, उसमें हम कैसे शुद्ध हो सकते हैं?
Rivers are lifeline of our country. So, dear friends, it is our responsibility to keep them clean because they are providing life to us. If we are polluting them, it means we are poisoning our life.
Scene 5.
अरे दोस्तों, तुमने न्यूज़ सुनी आज शाम की?
नहीं तो, ऐसा क्या खास था न्यूज़ में?
हाँ, मैंने सुनी है। ये तो आज की बर्निंग न्यूज़ है कि पेट्रोल की राशनिंग हो गई है।
वो क्या होता है?
राशनिंग यानी कि लिमिटेड पेट्रोल हर महीने सभी को मिलेगा। गवर्नमेंट ने अनाउंस किया है कि 10 लीटर पेट्रोल हर महीने पर पर्सन को मिलेगा।
हे भगवान, अब क्या हो सकता है? ये गवर्नमेंट भी कुछ करना नहीं होता, बस नए रूल्स रेगुलेशंस बनाती रहती है।
अब ऑफिस, स्कूल, मार्केट के काम कैसे होंगे? 10 लीटर पेट्रोल तो 15 दिन में नहीं चलेंगे, तो 1 महीना कैसे निकालेंगे?
अरे दोस्तों, घबराओ मत, इसका भी एक उपाय है।
वो क्या?
कारपूल।
कारपूल? ये क्या है?
कारपूल यानी कि मिलजुल कर एक जगह एक समय एक गाड़ी से ट्रैवल करना। जैसे हमारा ऑफिस एक ही जगह है, तो हम में से कोई एक पर्सन हम तीनों को ट्रैवल करवाए और शाम को मार्केट से मेरी गाड़ी से मार्केट का सामान ले आए।
अरे वाह, क्या तरकीब है!
ऐसे हमारे पेट्रोल, पैसे और टाइम तीनों की सेविंग हो जाएगी।
तो हम आज से स्टार्ट करेंगे कारपूल।
There are 17 goals to cure the world. No poverty, zero hunger, reduced inequalities and more. Sustainability goals will make this world stereotype free. It will sell with Celsun 2030 agenda, 17 goals and more. Sustainability development goals will make this world cure of all bad things. Let's help people by reducing this together and take a pledge to make this world better.
principles of sustainability in our daily lives.
I pledge to I pledge to uphold the spirit of Van Mahotsav by actively participating in afforestation efforts and promoting the importance of sustainability. I commit to plant at least one tree each year and well nurture it as a symbol of my dedication to the environment. Thank you.
Birthdays are always special. Now I invite all the students and teachers whose birthdays fall in this week.
My name is Asheen Kaur. My birthday falls on 12 July.
I'm glad to invite respected coordinators on stage to receive a token of love on behalf of Class 7 and say a few words of wisdom. I'm glad to invite enrichment ma'am, enrichment head, coordinators on stage to receive a token of love on behalf of Class 7 and say a few words of wisdom.
Good morning, children. First of all, a big round of applause to Class 7 AMB for a wonderful assembly, wonderfully conducted. And thank you teachers also of Class 7 AMB, very nicely conducted. See, today we are sitting over here, one thing, what I have learned, there's so much actually to learn every day. So much to learn. And you know what, by seeing this small skit, it is not, we all look for a reason to celebrate something. But actually that should not be the way the child just now said, that we should do this every day. There should be an everyday's practice. Of course, Van Mahotsav is celebrated now because of the, of the rains, the plants will grow. But it should not be the reason, it should be our habit. If all of us contribute a bit, we'll have a, this would be a better place to live. So let's take an oath, as we have all taken a pledge, that let all of us do a bit, plant a sapling, nurture it, and make this place a better place to live. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am.
बिल्कुल